Is my hair too short?
It looks the same.
But is that okay?
It looks the same.
I don't want to break up. I know people have hurt you, and you feel like I'd be better off without you, but I need you to know that my life is way better because I met you.
You don't have to say that.
I do. And I'll keep on saying it until you believe me. But I don't care about getting into fights or pissing off my mates or anything like that. It's all worth it to be with you. I mean, you are the kindest, most thoughtful and caring and an amazing person in the whole world. And if you really want to break up, then I would respect your decision, but I want us to be together.
Nick.
You're my favourite person.
Nick.
I need you to believe me.
Nick. I believe you. I believe you.
Having lunch with your boyfriend today?
No, I'm waiting for your mum, actually.
Who are you texting?
Your mum?
Currently working on a Grammy, meanwhile pussy popping with your man in Miami. Chanel's and pearls, that's the trick that it takes to keep the grubs. Chopping bitches down like it was sister hands. I don't want no petty money, nigga, run a band.
At school, is it okay if we, like, keep this a secret? Yeah.
Gangnam Style.
Together we can go deeper than the ink beneath the skin of our tattoos. No, we don't share the same blood, you're my brother and I love you, that's the truth. We're living different lives, heaven only knows. If we make it back with all our fingers in our toes. 5 years, 20 years, coming back will always be the same. If I was dying on my knees, you would be the one to rescue. And if you were drowned at sea, I'd give you my lungs so you could breathe.
Go, Fortnite, going solo. Fucking that bitch, I'm going slow-mo. Walk you like a dog. Walk you like a dog.
tall and super strong. We always get along.